Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to increase your spending limit on Atom. All right, so let's begin with the video. So first thing you're going to need to do is launch the Atom application on your device, and then just tap on the Atom card icon located on the home page. And if didn't apply for card yet, simply click on this Apply Now button. And after completing some steps, you will have your Atom card. Once you have your card, and then if you tap on Card option in the Atom app, then you will be redirected to this page. And then here, under the Available Spending Limit section, select the Increased Spending Limit, and then just choose your preferred employment data verification provider. And then just complete the verification process as guided. And then make sure to ensure all information is accurate. And after ensuring everything is accurate, then you just have to tap on Submit Your Application. And that's it. So that's basically how you can increase your spending limit on Atome. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.